Moments that shatter trust in relationships. Are you ready? Picture discovering your confidant is in cahoots with your adversaries, much like Oscar Schindler realizing corruption in Schindler's List. In Braveheart, William Wallace's betrayal by Scottish nobles epitomizes the sting of backstabbing you never saw coming. Meanwhile, in Lincoln, political allies turn away, echoing those times when support evaporates unexpectedly in the most crucial hours. Trust not only breaks friendships, in these dramas it shifts entire historical tides. Once trust is broken, it can be hard to regain,